In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the delete command in AutoCAD. There are two ways to use the delete command. The first way is to enter the command, delete, and then select the lines or circle that you don't want. The other way is an opposite. You can select the lines and circles that you don't want and then delete it. So I'm going to show you the first way. So you can either use this icon, click on it, or you type delete and then or erase, either way. So you can type delete and you can delete this line, enter, it will delete it. Or you can use this button, it's also delete but they call it erase, and same thing, you can delete them and enter. You can also use the delete function and make a window and delete it. Once you create a window and select everything in the window and enter, so it will delete everything in there. So let me repeat this. So I can use a erase button, this icon, erase. I can make a window and enter, so I can erase them. So this is the first way. Let me undo them. So the second way is to select them first and then delete. To select them first, if I just want to delete this line, I can select these two lines and press the delete button in the keyboard. So I can delete that way. So you don't have to really enter the command. Now you can select the drawing by creating a window. See, the window is blue and this is green. So if I make it a blue window, if I click here right now, nothing will be selected because the lines are not within the window. But if I want to delete the entire thing, I have to make sure the window is large enough to cover the drawing. So I click here and then I hit delete on the keyboard so I can delete it. Let me undo it. U. So the other way is to do the same window, but this time the window, you can see, as long as it touch, when the green window, when you touch the drawing or touch the square, when I click on it, anything it touch will be selected, so I can delete it. Undo. So again, if I want to delete these two, I just have to touch a little bit of at the line and the circle. When I click on it, all three will be selected and I can hit delete. So if you want to create delete everything in the drawing, sometimes all you have to do is to make a green window, so everything that touch or within it will be selected. But if you want to make a careful selection, say I just want to make sure I delete these three lines, then I can make sure and make a smaller window that does not cover everything. Then I can select these three lines only and hit delete. So that's how you can use the delete command in AutoCAD.